Budget RC videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to Budget RC videos, and today we're going to be reviewing the Lean Machine radio controlled racing motorcycle. And what's really cool about this is it comes with the real LED lights, so when you put throttle onto it, it lights up. And it comes with the 27 megahertz radio control. You got your up, which is your forward, backward, on and switch button, left and right. And what's not cool about this thing is when you turn it left and right, this thing don't turn. Instead, it turns this person, just like that. It's pretty fast for a toy grade RC, and if you're into the hobby, like hobby grade RCs, I'll recommend you getting those bigger ones, the 1/8 scale ones. Those things can go fast, and as you can see, the bottom have the rollers, so when you lean over, it don't tip the motorcycle over and on the side too. And yeah, that's about it, guys, and let's see some running videos. Alright guys, as you saw in the running videos, it went okay, but the thing is the left and right. That's pretty hard. You need to slow down just to make it tilt a little bit to the right, then put throttle into it. And what you really need into this is a big space, like a street or parking lot. As you can see, I tested it on the street, and yeah, it's pretty cool for a gift or something to play with, or yeah, it's just a cool toy. Let it put that way. It's cool. It's not fast, it's not slow, it's like right in the middle. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want me to do like more or less toy grade RC reviews. And if you haven't already subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and please share. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and find me on Facebook. Alright guys, thank you for watching.